Hey guys, Jerry here. I just wanted to put together a quick clip of some fishing I did yesterday. The wind conditions were terrible. I went because it was forecast to max out at 11 miles an hour. That was a joke. From what I saw on the water yesterday when I checked, we were at 14 to 17 miles an hour and it was gusting over 20. So really hard to fish, and I was primarily interested in scouting new water that I'd never fished before. So I spent a lot of the day really just fighting to stay on my feet and see what I could see, as they say. So I left a lot of that footage, all of that footage out really because, the fish that I did see, the ripples on the water from the wind really made it not show up at all on camera. The next clip after this, this little guy here, I came around a corner and just saw fins, a massive group of fins and tails. And of course the camera wasn't on, but I turned it on and then cast immediately. That was the bright spot of the day. So I hope you enjoy it, and that's coming up now. Oh yeah. Found a nice big old group of bulls, it looks like. Oh yeah, big boy. Oh, that was so awesome. Been getting demolished by this wind all day, and I came around this corner and just saw a big old group of tails, and after that it's easy, you just throw right in the middle of them. Whew. Come here, buddy. Yeah, he's hooked. He's hooked. I hope. I say that and I'm gonna lose him. Come here. Come here, big boy. Oh, almost got him. Alright. Alright. He wasn't as big as I thought. Oh, and I think his friends are still there. Let's catch another one. This guy is 24 3/4 to go along with the 24. I really needed to, and I'm happy I got to. I'm bringing him to a older guy now. It's a real nice guy. Said he loves him some fresh fish.